Two giants in the world of insurance, each promising to secure your future. Northwestern Mutual versus MassMutual, which one truly stands above the rest? On the left, Northwestern Mutual, renowned for its reliability and long history. And on the right, MassMutual, a powerhouse praised for competitive offerings and innovation. Let's put the marketing aside and see how these companies really stack up. We'll award points in each key category so you get a clear, unbiased winner at the end. The outcome could challenge what you've always believed. Okay, quick overview on what we're comparing. Picture a mind map. We've got financial strength, product range, dividends, customer experience, and corporate responsibility. Basically, it's all the key areas that'll make a difference for you as a policyholder. Alright, let's start at the top. So first up, financial strength. Northwestern Mutual, honestly, it's the heavyweight champ here. They've got the top ratings across the industry. We're talking A++ from AM Best, and get this, they're actually the largest individual life insurer in the country. Pretty wild. The flip side, they're a little old school, sometimes slow to jump on new trends. Now MassMutual also flexes an A++ rating, still super reliable, and their portfolio is really strong and growing. But if you compare apples to apples, Northwestern Mutual's asset base is just bigger. So yeah, this round, Northwestern Mutual takes the win. Let's move on to product range, because who doesn't love options, right? Northwestern Mutual has a good selection: whole life, term, disability, long-term care, pretty much all the basics are there. But not a ton of slick customization stuff, and the digital tools are a bit behind. Now look at MassMutual. They're really upping the ante with more options: universal, index, variable products, you name it. Plus, their digital experience, way more advanced. There's a slight catch though: some of these products want you to come in with a higher minimum premium. But you know what, for most folks wanting choices and flexibility, MassMutual easily nabs this round. Now let's talk dividends. Okay, this is actually a huge deal for people looking for that steady, reliable return. Northwestern Mutual is kinda legendary here. They've had the highest declared dividend payouts in the industry, no joke, and they've done it for like over 100 years. Only downside: reminder, dividends aren't guaranteed. MassMutual comes in strong too. Their dividend history is super solid, payouts are reliable, and the rates are very competitive year after year. But typically, you're just going to get a bit more from Northwestern Mutual if dividends are your focus. So, another win for Northwestern Mutual. Oh, and did you know, both of these companies have actually paid out billions, yeah, with a B, in dividends to policyholders, and they've been doing that since the 1800s. How wild is that? Alright, how about customer experience? Here, where things get interesting. Northwestern Mutual is famous for those personal, face-to-face advisors, top-rated, super dedicated, and you really get that in-person advice. But if you love handling stuff online or using apps, it's not amazing there, definitely some room to grow. On the other side, MassMutual is honestly killing it with their tech. Their app, super modern. Online policy quotes, claims, it's all fast and convenient. The only odd thing, the experience with advisors can vary depending on where you live. But overall, if you want that 21st century convenience, MassMutual wins here, hands down. Last one, corporate responsibility. Northwestern Mutual, they're definitely involved locally, lots of charity, community outreach, and financial education. But big picture stuff like ESG investing, they're a little conservative, not as much focus there. Now MassMutual, oh, and here's something cool: they've actually won awards for their diversity initiatives, and they're super active in ESG and impact investing. Some of these sustainability programs are still kind of new, but the intention is there and it's rolling out. Between the two, MassMutual's making way bigger waves in this area. Another win for them. Let's lay it all out visually. If you look at the radar chart, you'll see Northwestern Mutual kinda dominates in financial stability and dividends, while MassMutual pulls ahead in product range, customer experience, and corporate social responsibility. Pretty even overall, but each has some clear strengths. So my take: if you're all about stability, long-term value, and you don't mind keeping things a bit traditional, Northwestern Mutual is going to feel like a safe bet. But honestly, if you want more product choices, some cool tech features, and you care about what your money's supporting in terms of social good, MassMutual is probably your winner. The real best pick just depends on what matters most to you. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want to see more honest, side-by-side comparisons on financial stuff, do yourself a favor, subscribe for more tips and insights.